Welcome to Link G4 Plus Training Part 32. In this video, we're going to be taking a further look at our log analysis. We're going to have a lot to learn, so let's get started. Okay, so let's jump into this video and talk about working with our log analysis a little bit further. So in the last video, we looked at setting up our pages and our templates for using our log analysis most efficiently. And that's going to allow us to pinpoint a problem or evaluate maybe how a tune is working with an engine or how someone is driving the vehicle. There's going to be all kinds of things we are going to be taking a look at in data logs. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at some further features that we have in our log analysis, such as our overlay feature, our markers, our drag analysis, and how to open and close the actual logs properly in our log manager. There's going to be a whole bunch of things to cover, so let's jump in so we can check this out. Okay, so let's get started here. We're going to be taking a further look at our logging analysis. So we learned how to go in and take our PC log and our onboard log in the first video looking at our data logging, and then we went through and created all these pages here. They're going to be very specific of looking at things related to a task of such as knock control or boost control. We can evaluate the performance of how the car is working, or the boost control is working, or drive-by-wire throttle is working, or anything we've created here. We're going to be able to very quickly and efficiently look through the data log. Now, in addition to having our pages here, we're also able to work with some more features that are going to be very, very useful in evaluating our log analysis or taking a look at our data logs. So the first thing I want to point out here, if we look at the data log that I have open, we're going to be finding that we have this area right here called history. And if we notice, we have this dotted line that's going to run all the way across down to the bottom, and it's going to say PC log data. Then we're also going to be finding here at the top, it's going to be showing PC log data. If I just go click on my time plot here and go downwards, we're going to be finding that the log then is going to be ending towards the end here. Normally, what you'll see at the end of a log here in a little red is going to say EOL or end of log. It's going to be spelling it out very clearly where the end of the log is. So this history that's right here, when we were setting up and looking at our PC logging and our onboard logging, if we jump up here into our ECU log file setup, give it a second here into our PC logging, we found this area right here, online sample history, add to start of PC log 100 samples. That is going to be what this corresponds to right here. So we started to data log, or we initiated the data log on our PC logging, and it went in and it just grabbed some more data right before the log began. And sometimes this is a good thing, sometimes it doesn't really matter, but we'll leave this checked, but just note that that is where it's coming from. So this history here is data before we actually initiated the data log. So let's go here and click OK. And looking at the rest of this, then again, this is going to be showing us what the actual PC log data is going to be here. Now in an onboard log, we're not going to be finding this history is going to be in here in the buffer. We're